Hi friends, how are you? I hope you all are fit and fine at your home, as we all are knowing that critical situation is going on. But in this situation, study should not be stopped. So we are moving further about our study. You are having two books, Beehive and Moments. Beehive is a main content book and Moment is a supplementary book. We are moving ahead in about first chapter, the fun they had from your book main content book Beehive. We are talking about the chapter number first, the fun they had, which is written by Isaac Asimov. Isaac Asimov is a scientific and prolific writer. He has written more than 500 books, 90,000 postcard, letters and all. He was a biochemist, or he was a professor in biochemistry subject at Boston University. Here in this lesson he has described about the future education, how the future school will be there. To describe this situation, in this lesson we are having two main characters. One is a Margie, who is 11 years old girl, and another character is there. We are having there Tommy. Tommy is a 13 years old boy. The two main characters are that one day that Tommy found a real book, and in this lesson, that means when he found the real book, at that moment that Margie started writing a diary. In that lesson, maybe you found that the date which Margie has written, that 17th May 2157. That means in this lesson they are talking about the situation after 137 years. How the school will be there after 137 years. Then in this lesson they are talking about the different digital technologies. Digital technologies, like in place of books they are having e-text. In place of classroom, schools, they are having their virtual classroom. Virtual classroom, that means one type of small room will be there. At that moment they don't want to go in school or any kind of special building for study or for education. In place of textbook, they are having that television screen. In place of teacher as a human being, they are having that robotic teacher. Like this situation, that means will be there in this lesson. That Margie, one day that Tommy found a real book. In this book, which was written some information which is related to that school about, that means when his grandfather was student, which was at that moment all the information, all the data was written on the paper or printed on the paper. When Margie see, at that moment she was asking to the Tommy, that Tommy, from where you find this book? Without looking at her, Tommy said that from my house, and in my house, that from attic I got the book. Actually he didn't look at her because he was busy reading this book. Then Margie again asked her that about what the book is. Tommy said that about school. Margie said about school. And why you need to read about the school? Why you need to take it out the book about school? So he said that actually this is not the book, or this is not the school as we are having. This is the book about the school when, that means my grandparents were students. The different school was there. But in the other side, Margie don't want to listen anything about school, because she hated the school most. The reason behind it that right now that in Margie, in geography section, that robotic teacher is taking too much test after test, and slowly and gradually Margie is getting very less marks. Margie don't know the reason, but after some time her mother decided to call the county inspector. County inspector, that means, as right now we are having one type of tutor or personal teacher, but in that situation, that means here in this lesson, county inspector, that means a person who can repair, who can guide that robotic teacher. So that county inspector came to the Margie's house. He adjusted everything. He just repaired everything and rearranged everything. But in the other side, Margie is having the hope that maybe the county inspector will not able to rearrange everything, and she'll get a holiday from this kind of situation. But she was wrong. That within 1 hour, that county inspector has rearranged everything. And after completing that work, county inspector smiled and just patted the head of that Margie. County inspector called the mother of Margie and he informed that it is not your daughter's fault. This is the fault of robotic teacher, because that robotic teacher or the geography section is too much fast according to the level of Margie. So I have adjusted that speed of the robotic teacher, and now it will work according to the level of Margie. So definitely your daughter, that is Margie's progress is going satisfactory in a very good manner. So don't worry about it. As county inspector has arranged everything, so her mother and county inspector both are satisfied. But in the other side, Margie was disappointed, because once when this type of difficulty was happened to the Tommy, at that moment the county inspector had taken a month, because the totally history section was totally blank out from that robotic or television screen. But here that county inspector has completed everything within 1 hour only, and Margie don't want to study further, so she was disappointed. Then still that Tommy was busy in reading books, so again that Margie is asking him that why you are busy in reading, you just look at me. At that moment now Tommy started to describe about the book, that do you know why I am busy or why I am reading very interestingly this book? Because the school, when, that means my grandparents were having, at that moment they were having very different school, like students like you are having school, like that Tommy's grandparents is having school. A special building was there, then all the same level of that student, that means same age of student, they were sitting in a one room, they are playing together, they are eating their breakfast and lunch together. That particular subject teacher will come to them, they will have fun, they will have exercise. All the works were in a printed things. So here, that means right now nowadays we are having very different situation, but they were having very different situation and they were enjoying. They were having a one special building for learning something. They were having the playgrounds, all the students, all the boys and girls sitting together in one room, like that they were having. When the Margie heard this kind of situation, at that moment she was excited that wow, what kind of beautiful school they were having. Even I don't want to study, but why that man, or why any one human being be a teacher, or how it is possible that one human being be a teacher? So still Margie is confused, but Tommy cleared everything, and he is giving the information about the whole scenario about the old school, that how his grandparents were having the old school. By the time that Margie's mother called her, because today he is having one lecture and her teacher already came over there, her mother called her for that arithmetic lecture. That means, as we are knowing that in maths we are having two parts, arithmetic part and geometry part. Today she is having arithmetic lecture. Actually she don't want to go, but twice and thrice her mother called her and that's why anyhow she should have to go. So she just went into the room. When she reached over there, at that moment the robotic teacher were already seated over there. First, when she reached at that moment, the robotic teacher will ask that show me your homework, whatever I have given yesterday. Then Margie just give that homework to him. Then robotic teacher will ask some question about the fraction and factors, that give the answer about 1.5 and 1/4 part of the fraction. What is the difference between 1.5 and 1/4 part of that fraction? Give the answer, but Margie is not able to give the answer. Why? Because still she is thinking about the school which Tommy's grandparents were having. She was eagerly waiting that how and why and how they were enjoying. Why I am not having this kind of surrounding atmosphere? Why I am not able to feel this kind of situation? As you can see over here, I have written that features of the future school, which already described in this chapter that 4 features are there. Learning through computers. In place of that school and building, they are learning through the computers. Secondly, they are having a virtual classroom. Virtual classroom, that means they don't want to go in a particular building or class. They will have their class at their own place, that means their home. Third, we are having that robotic teacher, that means in place of man or woman, that means human being, they are having that robotic teacher. And fourth one, they are having that moving e-text. Moving e-text, that means in place of this kind of textbook, they are having the moving e-text, that means words are, or that one type of slideshow or PowerPoint or this kind of things they were having. These are the 4 features that means they are using while enjoying the future school. So like this, in this chapter, that writer has given the vast difference between that old school and how the school will be there in future time, that means after 137 years. So this is the vast difference between the 2 schools, that means 2 different type of school. I hope you all understood whatever I have explained. If you have any queries, so in online session definitely I will solve your problems. Be ready with your confusion or doubt. Thank you and have a nice day.